Alright, I'm going to do a video of the Bosch Washer at my mom's house, the different cycles and the times and how long they take. Just so you know, at my dad's house, the washer there, it's displayed in minutes and not hours. This one's displayed in hours and in minutes, so it's a little different. So basically, an hour and 5 minutes is 65 minutes. So, anyway, also, the cycle times on here are a lot longer than my dad's washer because it's a front loader and they take a lot longer to wash because they just tumble clothes. They don't really agitate like what top loaders do. So it takes longer for them to clean. Anyway, the dryer's going right now. Anyway, here's the model number for the washer. A little blurred. Oh, actually, no, it's not. That part's on. WFVC6450UC/29. That's the model number. So anyway, all right, it's a front load washing machine there, as you can see. So it has an off selection, but I'm gonna start with cottons. Sorry about that. Cotton's cold. There's this one's a little different. The cycles on here are a little weird. So cottons is like a normal cycle basically. It's cold, warm, and hot, and it says it takes an hour. One thing I want to mention is it will start out saying it's an hour, but depending on the load size, after like 7 minutes, it will like all of a sudden go up a lot depending on like the load size, or go down minutes. So like if it's like a big full load, it will go to like an hour and 14 for some reason, and then count down from there. It's really not that accurate, but the cotton's cold, warm, and hot cycle take an hour. If you were to do the stain remover cycle, it would take an hour and 29. An allergy rinse for that would take an hour and 47. An allergy rinse is like an extra rinse. Eco Action doesn't do anything. I've never used that before. I should get a video of it trying that because I've never seen that button. I've never tried it before. So, hour and 47 is the longest it could take. That's equivalent to 107 minutes, I believe. I don't know. I'm just gonna say the hour just in case I'm wrong. All right. The drain and spin cycle takes 9 minutes. It won't do a stain remover, obviously. If you're doing allergy rinse, it's basically the rinse and spin. That one takes 15 minutes. The cold intensive cycle is basically like a towel cycle, if you will, or a jeans cycle. It's basically like a really heavy duty wash using cold. Cold intensive cycle takes an hour and 32 minutes. That's like 92 minutes, I believe. Stain remover cycle will make it take an hour and 52. That's like 112 minutes. And then if you do an allergy rinse, it'll take 2 hours and 10 minutes. That's like 130 minutes. If you were to do Eco Action, it won't let you do that. Alright, the baby care cycle is the longest cycle. This one is just like a really heavy duty cycle. It's like for example, if you have a baby or a toddler, or you have really bad stains like crap, like poop or something, or like barf, something like that, you know what I mean? It just really is a good cycle for that, anything like that. Or if you have pets that have had an accident, it's really good for that, from what I've heard. Here's like the cycles up here too, if you're wondering. Okay, so the baby care cycle, 2 hours and 45 minutes. That's like that's like 165 minutes, I believe. And then stain removal cycle will make it go up to 317. So that's like an hour and 97, I believe, or 197 minutes. And if you're to do an allergy rinse, it makes it go up to 339. Let's see if Eco Action does anything. Nope, it won't do Eco Action on that. So this is the longest cycle on here. 3 hours and 39 minutes is a lot. So, yeah. And then the comforter cycle, that's like the bulky item cycle. It does like extra water and stuff. It says it takes an hour and 1 minute. If you were to do the stain removal cycle, it does an hour and 26 minutes, and then allergy rinse or extra rinse does an hour and 42. If you do equal action, doesn't do anything. And then, whoops. All right. Then the extra sanitary cycle. That one is like basically the heavy duty cycle. And the extra sanitary cycle takes an hour, 2 hours and 20 minutes. And if you were to do stain removal, it takes 3 hours. And if you do an allergy along with that, an allergy rinse, it takes 3 hours and 18 minutes. It won't do an eco action. Drum sanitize cycle is like the clean washer cycle. And if you were to do, I don't think it will let you do any of these, but it does an hour and 30 minutes. It won't let you do any of those. The wool hand wash cycle is like the delicate cycle. It's I don't think it will let you do anything but a gentle spin or no spin. Stain removal cycle, it'll take 57 minutes, but default it'll take 30 minutes. So stain removal, 57 minutes, and then the allergy rinse or extra rinse will take an hour and 11 minutes. And it won't let you do eco action. The wool hand wash cycle is a very delicate cycle. It's good for wool. So quick light cycle is like the quick wash cycle. It takes 20 minutes. It won't let you do a stain removal, but it'll let you do an allergy rinse, and that will take 29 minutes. It won't let you do eco action. A quick full cycle is like a quick wash but full, so it takes longer. The takes 45 minutes. Stain removal, no. It lets you do an allergy rinse, so it'll take 58 minutes, and it won't let you do eco action. And then you have the permanent press cycle for hot water, warm water, or cold water. They all take an hour and 5 minutes. And the permanent press cycle is basically like a casual cycle. They just call it permanent press. So the permanent press cycle takes an hour and 5 minutes. If you do stain removal, it takes an hour and 28. Extra allergy rinse takes 144, and then it won't let you do eco action. So that's basically all the cycles on here. I believe there's 11, but in total there's 15 options, including off. And I still need to do a video of the dryer here and a video of the dryer at my dad's house. I will do that sometime, but as you can see, the dryer's going, and I do have to start the washer here and some towel, or actually no, I gotta do those later, but these are some comforters I need to wash, so I'll wash that on the comforter cycle here. So that is a video of the different cycles of the washer at my mom's house. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed.